Hello, boys and girls. We are ready for foundations. We are doing a couple activities from Unit 2, Week 2, Day 4. So our first activity is called Word of the Day. So here is our word. Let's tap the word, boys and girls. Elbows up. Let's tap. Quit. All right. Now remember, the Q and the U stick together, right? We have our special song. The Q has a buddy and his friend is U. Now we can identify QU and mark it, as we call it in foundations, by circling the Q and the U. That's how we're going to remember that the U is the buddy to the Q. Now we want to think. What does the word quit means? I can think sometimes my kids will get upset when they're playing and they'll say, "I quit." So what does that mean? Think about it. Well, if you said that quit means to stop doing something, you are correct. Now, let's think of a sentence with quit. I already mentioned my kids saying, "I quit," but maybe we can think of a longer sentence. What did you think of? How about this? He quit playing the piano. Well, now, if you thought of a sentence, you can write your sentence, but I'm going to write my sentence. So I need to begin with a capital letter. So what was the first word of my sentence? He. So I need a capital H. So he quit playing we know that's a trick word we've learned. Piano is super tricky, so I'm gonna write it. Now, am I done writing my sentence? No. If you told me no, you're not done. You were correct. I need to add a period. So now we can read it. He quit playing the piano. So now we have our word quit. We have circled the QU, and we made a sentence for the word quit. So we can remember this word. Now, when you attend live lessons with your teachers, they can show you that in our octopus book, so here's our octopus book, there is a section to record our word of the days. So this particular word of the day begins with a QU, which is on page 54. So we can write quit, like I've written here, and our sentence, he quit playing the piano, in our book, so we remember that quit was our word of the day. All right, now we're going to need a dry erase board or a piece of paper because we are going to do some dictation. So I'm going to say letters and you're going to write the letter, and I'm going to say words and you're going to write them. So I'm going to erase my board. You can pause the video to get ready so we can begin. Okay, I'm going to start with sounds. The first sound is eh. Say it. Eh. What letter makes that sound? I'm going to write mine while you write yours. If you wrote E, you are correct. E, ed, eh. Number 2, Z. Say the sound. Z. Write the letter that says Z. If you said Z, you are correct. Z, zebra, Z. Okay, number 3, X, X. Write the letter that says X. If you wrote X, then you are correct. Okay, now we're ready for words. We're going to write 4 words. The first word, so I will say the word, you will repeat, and then we will tap and blend it. Lug. Say lug. Elbows up. Let's tap. L-U-G. Lug. Okay, time to write lug. You write yours as I write mine. L, g. You can say the sounds like I do. You should have what I have. L-U-G, lug. Okay, number 2. Yes. Say yes. Elbows up. Let's tap. Y-e-s. Yes. Number 2, write the word yes. Y-e-s. Yes. You should have spelled yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Okay, number 3. Rob. Say rob. Let's tap it. R-A-B. Rob. Write the word rob. And this is what the boys and girls will be doing on their test. We say the sound and we say the word, and the boys and girls write it on their own. You should have written R-O-B for the word rob. Okay, next word, mud. Say mud. Elbows up, let's tap. M-U-D, mud. Let's write mud. M-U-D, mud. Look at my number 4. Did you get that for mud? You didn't? Oh, good job. I tried to trick you. The sound is not an O. That's the letter U. Okay. So we have our 3 sounds, our 4 words. Now we're going to write 2 trick words. So I'm going to erase my board. The first trick word is his. Everybody say his. Remember, this is tricky. We can't tap it out. We have to memorize it. Let's write it on the table. H-I-S. His. Now we can write it on our board. His. H-I-S. His. Okay, next trick word that we learned. And. Say and. Let's write it on the table. A-N-D. Now we can write it. And. A-N-D. Okay, last is kind of the trickiest part. We're going to write a sentence. Here is the sentence. A bug is in the pot. Say it. A bug is in the pot. Let's count the words. A bug is in the pot. So we need to have 6 words. We want to make sure to start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. So a bug, b-ug, is in, you should be writing it too, that's another trick word, pot, p-a-t. And now I need a period. Okay, let's check. A bug is in the pot. Okay, so we added our 2 trick words and our sentence. I hope you had a good time. All right, good luck. We're having a test soon. Bye.